Hi everyone, it's Stefan from Random Design. This time from the Motor City Comiccon in Novi, where I will give a panel about 3D printing. So for our panel about 3D printing, we not only brought our 3D printer, but of course some samples like our Widowmaker helmet, of course the BB-8, the Batman helmet and some walls. Crucio! After the workshop, we also found some time to watch the cosplay contest, where we have seen some amazing costumes. Impressive armors, superheroes, and villains.
Dear friends,
dragons and extraterrestrials, some celebrities, and some awesome performances.
but those dreams were dashed by a weaselly little dinosaur sitting in our midst. This cowardly, insignificant dinosaur who probably got lucky when Batman slipped in the slime trail this loser left behind him.
I say, end the pie, open baby, up and die, and the California, eh? I say bye bye, bye bye.
Congratulations to all the winners. We hope to see many of you next year. I have now no time to rest, but will directly head over to Computex in Taipei. So, see you next time. Bye bye. If you like the video and want to see more of our work, just hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for upcoming projects.